Have you ever tried to go out sledding and your sled not start? Maybe it's backfiring. If that's the case, this video might be for you. Today we're going to be doing a spark plug installation on the Polaris Assault Switchback Assault. First thing you're going to want to do is remove these panels. These little circlips are a bitch, so make sure you don't lose them. We'll be back as soon as we're done that. Do both sides. On the driver left side, there's going to be a little pouch here with a zipper. You're going to want to reach into there. That's where your tool bag is located. Inside that tool bag, you're going to have a spark wrench, which you're going to need for this job. You're going to need a spark plug gap setter. And you're going to need the extra spark plugs. I recommend buying 2 packs. Go ahead and throw an extra pack into the pouch. Once you remove both sides, you should have enough room to work in here. So just go ahead and pop off your spark plug terminals. You're going to want to just crack these loose and then untwist them by hand. Like so. You're going to want to do that for both sides. Go ahead and do that for this side too. Just put it on. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take out your new spark plugs. You're going to adjust the gap to them to 0.28, and then you're going to thread these in by hand. When you're threading this in by hand, you're going to want it to go in as smooth as possible. You're going to want to feel no resistance, and we're just going to go finger tight and then grab the wrench and go a quarter turn past finger tight, past snug. Just a quarter turn past snug. Should be good. Just go ahead and put this lead back on. Make sure she's seated properly. Like I was saying, go ahead and toss your other set of brand new spark plugs back in the pouch with the wrench. Go ahead and tuck that back where it belongs. Put your panels back on, and that's probably it for the video. We'll see if she starts up and works. Yeah, so the reason I made this video was because I was actually supposed to go sledding yesterday, and yeah, she didn't want to start. And I'm hoping this fixes it. We'll see. Moment of truth. Start it up. Second pull. Fucking right. So the problem's fixed. So if you're having starting issues, you're pulling for days, still won't start, you're having misfiring issues, try the spark plugs before anything. See you in the next video. Alright boys, fix the sled, let's bust her up.